Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. It's been a while since I uploaded a video because the NVDA outbreak was not that wasn't happy about it because NVIDIA went to like 173 and then came all the way down to 158 the following trading session. So took a heavy loss on it because guess what? Can't really predict the news. So today I'm going to be looking, starting fresh, looking at this SPX and take a look at where the bond is going to go, which is going to trigger some kind of bullish movement on the SPX. And then we'll be looking at NVIDIA and how and when that we should load it up again. And then Tesla, I've got some key levels I'm going to talk about. And then Amazon, kind of weird action today, but then I'm going to explain what I see and what we should do if you want to play long-term Amazon options. Okay, let's take a look at the future, which is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. So we were in this downtrend line and then we broke it upside, and then right now we're just forming higher lows and higher highs. So when you see higher lows and higher highs, that's a bullish action. And then what do you notice here? We are again in this upward channel, but then we broke it on May 20th, which is Monday, but then Tuesday we had a bounce, and then opening we had a Wednesday opening we had a bounce right now too. So what am I expecting is that we are going to have a breakout towards the 2900. And one thing we need to know is that we have the FOMC meeting or the minutes tomorrow at 2 p.m. So expect to have some kind of a bullish open or open flat and then run up, and then from that point maybe depends on how the minutes are going to be look like, and then I think we might push a little bit more higher or just gonna be choppy in the afternoon. So this is what we're expecting. We are going to go back up to 2890 and then eventually maybe bounce all the way to 2911. So let's take a look at the ZB, which is the treasury notes. So we double topped and then now we're coming down. So expect the bond to go back to like 148.11. That's the ticks. So maybe come back down. When the bond goes back down, we're going to see some bullish action on the financials. So every time when bond backs off, the financials rally, and this we close a very strong candle. So in my opinion, I think we're going to go back to 2736. That'll be my next target for the bond. For the financials. And now let's take a quick look at NVIDIA. So with NVIDIA, this thing is pain in the ass. So wow, it hit the 150 mark, and then I'm still holding June 21st 180 and 185 calls, and I do believe that we are going to hit the 180 like after June 1st, and then the G20 summit, all that kind of the news can drive semi to move a little bit higher. This stock's been beaten down so much, so I think it is bottoming out. Remember I talked about we need to test this breakout candle, and then we did, and now we bounce up. So expect the NVIDIA to continue trend higher, but then make sure your calls are long enough because any news can hammer the semiconductors again. The next one I'm looking at Tesla. Really not much to look at Tesla right now. We're just expecting a dead cat bounce to the upside. There's a gap that needs to be filled around 211. But if you ask me where Tesla, if it drops, where do I think it's gonna drop? I'll be looking at a quick support around 178. So the 178 and 180 area, and then look right here. This is a strong support at 182. So we'll be targeting 181, 182 for the support on the next one. But again, I don't think Tesla is going to fall to 181, 182 that quickly. In the meantime, expect some kind of a quick rebound and then come back down. Next, I'll be looking at Amazon. I have some position in Amazon, July 21st and June 21st. Those are 2,000 calls, I think. And I think Amazon is going to be consolidating here in a while. But then we have to know earnings are coming out in July 25th. That's another 2 months, right? So if Amazon comes back down to 1,800, that'll be the next support. And I'm going to continue hold my Amazon. I think Amazon can go back to 2,000 before earnings on July 21st, 25th. So that's my outlook on Amazon. I think Amazon is a great opportunity to buy in if Amazon come down to test the 1,800 level. Now once the 1,800 level fails, we'll be looking at like 1,750 and eventually the 200 days EMA, but I don't think it's going to hit there just yet. I mean, if the market's going to trend bullish, then Amazon should rebound back to 1,900. So I'm going to still hold my Amazon positions. So overall on SPX, I was expecting a break of the 2,800, but then never did. So looks like we are going to trend higher. This was a downtrend, we broke it, and then we had an uptrend, we broke it, now we have a downtrend, right? But today we broke the downtrend, and now we are going to, in my opinion, we are going to head higher. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.